In front of me is HMD Skyline, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now use this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner. And firstly, to add an audio file, select Files. Then tap on Audio at the top. Look for it in one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hold your file and hit Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you want to add a video one, use this icon of a camera and the photo. Look for your video here and tap on it to add it. If it's not recent, select Folders. Look for it here and click on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!